classes. In this video, I am going to solve the test which I had given you all of quadrilateral chapters. Okay. Now, what was the first question? The perimeter of a rhombus. So, see, first you draw the rhombus. As soon as you come to know it is a rhombus, you know all the sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. These properties we should know. Okay, these diagonals are bisectors of each other. Now, what is given? ABCD is a rhombus. So, ABCD is a rhombus and all sides are equal. Let the side be equal to A. So, A and A. What is given? Perimeter of a rhombus is, see, remember, perimeter of any figure is the sum of all the sides. So, rhombus there are 4 sides, so it will be 4A, and 4A is equal to how much it is given? It is equal to 40. So, therefore, your A is equal to 40 upon 4, A is equal to 10. So, your side becomes 10. Okay, A is equal to 10, this is 10, this is 10, and this is also equal to 10. Now, if one of its diagonal is 16, so let me say AC is equal to 16. So can I say AO is equal to half of 16 because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other, right? So diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. So this will become 8. So this is 8 and this is 8. Now consider this triangle. Whenever 90 degree comes, you should remember about Pythagoras theorem. So this is your A, which is equal to 10. This I have found out it is 8. This is B, this is A, and this is O. I have to find BO. So can I say AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square? Correct? So Pythagoras theorem, or I write here. So I can write A square is equal to OB square plus 8 square. What is A? 10. So 10 square is equal to OB square plus 8 square is 64. 100 minus 64 is equal to OB square. Therefore, OB square is equal to 36. Therefore, OB is equal to square root of 36, which is equal to 6. Now, my value of OB is 6. So, what will be BD? So, therefore, BD is equal to twice of OB, which is equal to 2 into 6, which is equal to 12 centimeter, because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. If this is 6, this will also be 6. So 6 plus 6, it becomes 12. Okay. So remember, perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. Please note down this sum. So how will you give the marking for this sum? If you have found the side properly, you will give 1 mark. To find the side, you will give 1 mark. Okay. Then second is your to find the BO, you will give 1 mark. And then no, to find AO, you will give 1 mark, and to find BO and BD, you will give 1 mark. So total is 3 marks. This is how will be the marking scheme for this sum. Okay. Next sum. Next sum is an important theorem, please. You should know the theorems. Prove that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral. So this is my quadrilateral. This is my quadrilateral A, B, C and D. I have to prove sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral is equal to. So now what I do, I join to prove. So what is this? Join BD. Okay. Now can I say in triangle, I'll write here B, I'll write here C and I'll write here D. Now consider triangle in triangle ABD. Can I say angle A plus angle, see I have this angle plus this angle and this angle. Okay, so angle A plus angle ABD plus angle ADB is equal to, I'll write here, angle A plus angle ABD plus angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. This is equation 1. Understood? Suppose I write this as x and this is y. So this ABD is nothing but my x and ADB is nothing but my y. So this is in triangle ABD. Again, can I say angle C plus angle CBD plus angle CDB is equal to 180 degree in triangle BCD, in this triangle. First I had considered this triangle, now this triangle. So therefore can I say angle A plus, now what is this? I will add both of them. So angle ABD plus angle CBD plus angle, I will add both of them, ADB plus angle CDB plus, see I have written this angle first, then this and this together I have written, then this and this together I have written. Okay, then I will write angle C, and this is equal to 180 plus 180. I am adding both of them, 180 plus 180. So it becomes what? Angle A plus. Now what is ABD plus angle CBD? It is this whole angle, and this whole angle is nothing but B, plus ADB plus angle CDB. It is this whole angle. This whole angle is nothing but angle D, and plus angle C is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So if you write this one step, one triangle, you will get 1 mark. Second triangle, you will get 1 mark. And when you add both of them and you do this, you get 1 mark. So this is your 3-mark question. Okay? Please note down. Next question. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So you have A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. You have 3y. Here it is 18. Here it is 2x plus 1. And here it is 15. Okay. You have to find angle A is equal to 30. Okay. You have to find all the angles x and y and the perimeter of the parallelogram. See, of course, now you should know very clearly, it is a parallelogram. So this angle and this angle is equal to opposite angles. This angle and this angle are supplementary. So if this is 30, this will be 150. And if this is 150, this will also be 150. Adjacent angles. So you can write that. So for finding all the angles, you will give 1 mark. So 1 mark for finding all the angles. Okay. Now they are saying find x and y. Can I say opposite sides are equal of a parallelogram? So 2x plus 1 equal to 15. 2x is equal to 15 minus 1. 2x equal to 14. X is equal to 7. And next is 3y. 3y is equal to 18. So therefore y is equal to 18 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. So you got the value of angle x and y. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 6. So 1 mark for all the angles, 1 mark for finding x and y. Always remember, students, there might be sometimes you will feel that you don't know the sum. The last part you don't know, but the first 2 or 3 steps you know, you solve them. So you will get at least 1 or 2 marks in the sum. Don't leave the sum. Okay. Now next, third part. What you have to find? You have to find the perimeter. See, either you remember the formula. Formula for a parallelogram, it is 2 into L plus B. If you don't remember, simple method for perimeter is sum of all the sides. So it will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. See, now your AB is nothing but DC, both way. And even if you put X over here, you will get the same answer. So AB will be 15 plus 18 plus 15 plus 18. 15 plus 15 is 30. 18 plus 18 is 36. So perimeter will be 66 centimeter. So easy. Okay. Next sum. 1 mark for angles, 1 mark for x and y, and 1 mark for perimeter. Fourth sum. This is a square. So you should always remember, in square you have all the properties. So this is a square. It is ABCD. And it is given this is 2x minus 2. You remember, in a square, the diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So all the four diagonal parts, that parts of the diagonals are equal. You should know this. And here it is given this is 18. Okay. So now can I say 2x minus 2? 2x minus 2 is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to 18 plus 2. So therefore 2x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. Correct? So now what do I get? This part is x is equal to 10. This is 18. So first I have found the value of x. So now if this is 18, this is also 18, this is also 18 and this is also 18. Now if I consider this right angle triangle, this part is 18 plus 18. Yani it is 36. And this is a. Sorry, x is equal to 10. And this is also a. So now how will you solve this? A square plus a square is equal to 36 square. So you get 2a square is equal to 36 into 36. So you get a square is equal to 36 into 36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 18s are. So what will be a? A will be square root of 36 into 18. So a will be equal to, your side will be equal to, find the diagonals and the side of the square. So a will be equal to square root of 36 into square root of 18. So a is equal to square root of 36 is 6 multiplied by square root of 18 is 9 into square root of 2. So it will be 6 into 3 into 2. So 18 root 2. This will be the side of the square. This will be the side of the square. In fact, in this sum there is no need to find the value of x also. You can directly get the diagonal. Next sum. In this sum there was some question was incomplete. So what we will do is you will not consider this sum while giving the marks. So your test will be out of 21 marks. But still I will show you how to solve this sum because it is very important. What is one incomplete? I did not mention P, Q and R are the midpoints. That is what I missed out. Okay. So now ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is equilateral with side 10 centimeters. So this is 10, this is 10 and this is 10. And PQR are the midpoints. So such type of sums will come in the exams. So now once you come to know these are the midpoints and if I join them, what they are telling me, prove that PQRB is a parallelogram. As soon as it is a triangle, it is a midpoint, you should remember about midpoint theorem. So this is 10, this becomes 5, this becomes 5, this becomes 5, this becomes 5. Okay. Now, you have this is your triangle. So can I say P and Q are the midpoints? P comma Q are midpoints. Correct? So therefore PQ is parallel to BC and PQ is half of BC. Understood? So can I say PQ is parallel to BR also? Which formula? midpoint formula. So therefore PQ is parallel to BR and PQ is equal to half of BC, यानी half of 10. So this is equal to 5. Correct? Now again can I say Q and R are midpoints. Therefore QR is parallel to AB and QR is half of AB. Midpoint formula, midpoint theorem. So you have QR is parallel to PB also. Now in quadrilateral, PQRB, opposite sides are parallel. This PQ is parallel to BR, PQ is parallel to BR, and QR is parallel to PB. Therefore, or what you can write here, PQ is parallel to BR. Here you can write PQ is parallel to BR. In statement you can write B, R and C are collinear points, and QR is parallel to AB. So you can write A, P and B. A, P and B are collinear points. In PQR, opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRB is a parallelogram. See now, this is one type of question. Prove that this is a parallelogram. They can also ask you, prove that PQR is an equilateral triangle. That is also they can ask. Now that is also easy. Can I say PQ is half of BC? So PQ is half of BC. Midpoint theorem. Can I say QR is also half of AB? And can I say PQ is done? QR is done. Can I say PR is half of AC? But all these three sides are equal because they are sides of an equilateral triangle. So therefore PQ is equal to QR equal to PR. All three sides are equal. So PQR also becomes an equilateral triangle. Such question can also come. And this question is there in your solved examples. See, whenever you are preparing for your maths, now you should thoroughly go through the solved examples also. Now what they are asking me, they have told me to find the perimeter of the parallelogram. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all these sides. So it will be 5, this is 5, this is 5 and this is 5. So perimeter will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Now let us look at sixth sum. So to prove it is a parallelogram, 1 mark. To prove it is a equilateral triangle, 1 mark. And to prove find the perimeter, 1 mark. So 3 marks for this question. Okay. Sixth sum. In triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB. So P is the midpoint. AM is equal to 3. So P, you have M. Your AM is equal to 3. If PB is equal to 4 and BC is equal to 10 and PM is parallel to BC, find the perimeter of triangle ABC. It is so simple. See, it is given this is the midpoint and PB is 4. So if this is 4, this is also 4. Clear? Now again, you know, in triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB and this is parallel to BC. So if it is parallel to BC, then can I say M is the midpoint of AC? Okay. So here it will become 3. Clear? So now what will be the perimeter of triangle ABC? It will be 4 plus 4 plus 10 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4 is 8, 18, 21, 21 plus 3, 24 centimeter. Easy. Now 7 sum and 8 sum, they are from the textbook proofs which solution you have in the video. Right? So kindly go through this solution. Also you just go through your papers where you have made the mistakes and try to give yourself marks. I will also correct your paper. You try to give your and see what mistakes you have done. Okay? Thank you.